before we start our lesson today, I want you to take out your mathematics textbook, part 2, okay? Today we are going to enter into the new textbook and new topics. So I want you to take out your mathematics textbook, part 2, and we are going to look into the new chapter, new topic today, which is money. Okay, but since I don't have the textbook, so I'm going to use my laptop to explain to you. And we are going to do our examples in this book. Okay? Okay, so mathematics year 3 part 2. So we are going to new topic. So money. Okay, if you look at the first page here, they give you the example, they give you the scenario. Okay, money. Okay, I'm depositing another RM250. The boy said, I saved RM200 before. Wow, I have more money now. He's thinking to himself. Can you see it? I'm sorry because I have to use my laptop and sometimes the screen will be too blur for you to see. So make sure you look into your textbook while watching the video, okay? So don't depend on my video only. Look at your textbook also. Okay, down here, this girl is saying, grandmother, I want to save RM100. I want to give another RM50 to the poor. Okay, this uncle saying, I want to invest RM5,000 for my child's education. So in order for you to learn this topic, you have to learn to pronounce their money. Like this one is we call as RM200. Okay, 200. This one RM250, and this one is RM100. This one is RM50, and this one is RM5,000. Okay, so we have to pronounce it correctly. Okay, girls, I'm going to ask you, what does that RM means? Someone knows what does the RM means? Okay. RM is equals to Ringgit Malaysia. Okay? Ringgit Malaysia. So different countries have different ways to pronounce their money. Different value, okay? Different money value. So in Malaysia, we will call as RM. We will write as RM, which means Ringgit Malaysia. Okay, you can Google on how other countries will pronounce their money. Okay, how other countries will call the money. Okay, so the page 2 and page 2. Okay, look at here. Addition of money. Actually in the topic money, we are having the same thing that we had before, we learned before. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the same. But what we have to do, what's the difference between the topic money with the previous topic is, in the money we have to put this symbol. Okay, don't forget, in this topic, the symbol of the RM is very important. So whenever you are doing the calculation, we have to write the symbol in front of the numbers. Okay, so look at here, calculate the total cost of, what is this, bicycle and what is that, the helmet, right? So calculate the total cost of bicycle and helmet. So they've already given you the numbers. RM361, RM125. The RM361 must be the bicycle. Yeah, look at here, the box, the table here. Bicycle will be RM361. So this one will be called as crash helmet. One is RM125. So they want you to calculate the total cost of these two. Okay? They didn't add the jersey yet. Okay, they just asked you to calculate the total cost of bicycle with this crash helmet. Okay, so we are going to count it. How? Easy. Same like how you will do the question. RM, don't forget your RM. 361. What they ask you to do? Total, right? Total means plus. Then RM 100. 25. So now you count. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 4. And don't forget to write back the symbol. So RM 486. RM 486 ringgit. I mean like 486 ringgit. Or you can pronounce it as RM 486. Okay, look at here. The answer, this one, the answer is correct. RM 486. So the total cost of bicycle and helmet, the crash helmet is RM 486. Sama tak? Yes. It's exactly the same. Macam mana nak buat kiraan tambah, operasi tambah, sama je. Tapi apa yang murid kena buat, kena tulis RM dekat depan. Okay, jangan lupa kena tulis RM dekat depan. Boleh? Okay, now for B, they're asking what is the total cost of the 3 items. Now they give you the 3 items, right? But for the first question, they just ask you to count for bicycle with crash helmet. But for the second question, they're asking you to count for these 3 items. So what we have to do? Tambah 3-3. Macam tadi. So the first method, you can tambah 2 by 2. You know the method, right? Mula-mula tambah 361 plus 125 RM. Then the total, you will write it back and you will plus with another 79 ringgit and you will get 565. So this will be the total. And another one method is one shot. You will plus one shot. You will do the calculation one shot like this. Somehow you will get the same answer. Okay? It depends, like it doesn't matter which method you are doing. Do the method which you prefer, which you think you can do it. Okay? Jangan ada orang kata buat method 2 tapi kamu tak tahu buat method 2, kamu suka prefer method 1, kamu boleh buat method 1 tapi disebabkan orang lain kata buat method 2, jangan awak pergi buat method 2 tapi dapat jawapan yang salah. Faham? So kalau awak prefer method 1, buat method 1. Kalau awak suka buat method 2, buat method 2. Which one makes you confident enough to give you the answer, you do that method. Okay? As long as you get the correct answer. Faham? Okay, now we are going to move to page 3. Okay, page 3. Okay, the second scenario. What is the example they give here? RM 2073 ringgit 5 cent plus RM 948 60 cent RM 1329 75 cent. Okay, so what they ask you to do? Plus. Look at the symbol here, plus. So they want you to plus everything. Tadi kita buat tapi tak ada sign. Sekarang untuk soalan ni kita ada sign. So how to do it? I will show it to you here. Okay. So it's the second. Okay guys, listen. Okay, now I've already write down the 3 because I feel more comfortable. I feel more confident doing this method. This one is method 2, right? So I'm doing this way. If you cannot do this method, you can do another one method. Okay? Don't force yourself to do this method. Okay, now you look at here. In this example 2, here, mereka tulis yang ni dulu. They wrote this one first, then second, then third. But if you look at mine here, I write like this. Like I didn't write it according to the order there. I write which one is having four numbers. Then I write the least one down here. Okay, it is actually decreasing because I feel more confident doing this way. Okay, this one makes me easy to solve the question. Okay, tapi dekat sini, if you look at here, they write it according to the order, which is 2073 5 cent first, and 948 ringgit 60 cent here, and 1329 ringgit 75 cent here. Okay, they didn't, they just write it exactly like how they wrote it up here. But if you cannot make it like this, kamu boleh tulis macam sini. Okay, so now we are going to solve the problem. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 6, 14, 1. So 4 plus 9, 13. So 13 plus 8, 21. Okay, so now, where are we? Okay, sorry, must be here. 2, right? So 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. Then 1 here, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 1, this one is 4. So RM. Don't forget to write back your RM. So our answer is 4,351 ringgit 40 cent. Tengok. Sama tak? Same or not? Same. Okay, this is how you will count the money. It's exactly the same. Just that you have to add the symbol. Okay, look at number 3. RM 3,480 plus they didn't give you the number here equals to 7,500 ringgit. You can either pronounce it as 7,500 ringgit. Okay, or for RM 7,500. Faham? So if like this, what you have to do, okay, they give you the number in front, they didn't give you the number in the middle, they give you the balance. So what you have to do, you have to minus in order to get the answer. So which one minus which one? 7,500 ringgit minus 3,480 ringgit. So this one you have to minus this one and you will get the answer. So can we do it now? So minus 0 minus 0, 0. Can we minus 8 from 0? Cannot. So we have to borrow from the neighbor. Borrow 1, it will become 4. You will give 1 to this one. 10 minus 8, 2. Can we minus 4 minus 4? Can. It will become 0. And 7 minus 3 will become 4. Don't forget your symbol RM. So the answer will be 4,020 ringgit. Sama? Yes. Same. Okay? Same. So if you want to count it back, if you want to check back whether the answer is correct or not, what you can do? This one, and the 3,480 ringgit, you plus with the answer that you got just now, plus, if you plus this both, you will get this final answer. If you get the same answer like this, that means the calculation that you did is correct. Okay? Okay. So this one no need to do yet. Jangan buat ni dulu, okay? Jangan buat ni. So we will jump into the subtraction of money. Since addition and subtraction is the easiest topic in mathematics, so we are going to do it in one shot. Okay, even though it's in the topic money. In the topic money, the addition, the subtraction, you will just solve it on how you solve it, the usual questions. That one we did it before. Just that you have to add RM in front. Okay, jangan lupa RM. Okay, RM is the most important thing in this topic. Faham? Okay, so now we move on to the next page, which is page 4. Page 4. So subtraction of money. Subtraction maksudnya tolak. Okay, so we have to be more. We have to concentrate more on the words, because they would like to play with the words. So A, 1A, what is the difference in price between the piano and the guitar? So the difference maksudnya kena tolak. Okay, look at here, the piano is 3,800 ringgit and the guitar is 760 ringgit. So what we have to do, we have to minus. So what is the difference in price? Difference in price maksudnya this one minus this one. So we do the question. Before that, don't get confused with this one. This one is mental calculation. Mental calculation maksudnya tak gunakan apa-apa. You have to do it in your own head, okay? So how to do it in your own head? Like without using pencil books. So what they ask you to do in order to get the answer, in order to solve it quickly. So first, from 3800, take out the 800 and minus the 760 first. Then with the balance, you add the 3000. It's a bit difficult for those who don't have any experience. So I'm asking not to confuse with this one. Just ignore this two. Okay? Ignore this two. We will jump into how to solve the question. Okay? The calculation. So jangan hirakan mereka. Okay? Hirakan mereka je. Okay, sekarang we will look at this one. Subtraction. Okay, we are in the topic of subtraction. So what was the question? This one. They're asking the difference between the piano and the guitar, right? So the piano is 3,800 ringgit and the guitar is 760 ringgit. So what we have to do, we have to minus these two in order to get the answer. So we minus. Jangan lupa symbol ni. This one is most important and then this one is very important. So 0 minus 0 will become 0. Can we minus 6 from 0? Cannot. So we have to borrow from your friend beside this. 8 minus 1 will become 7. 1 give it to here. 10 minus 6 will become 4. 7 minus 7, 0, 3. This is the answer. Don't forget to add RM. So look at here. Sama tak jawapan yang kita dapat tadi? 3,040 ringgit. Okay, so the different price is 3,040 ringgit or RM 3,040. Okay, can do it. It's very easy actually. Okay, now B. Adi pays RM 4,600 for the piano and the guitar. Find his balance. Okay, sekarang mereka tanya Adi tu dia nak beli dua-dua, piano dengan gitar. Okay, dia nak beli dua-dua, jadi dia bayar secara cash RM4,600. Dia bayar, lepas tu dia dah beli yang ni dengan yang ni. Sekarang sekarang penjual tu kena bagi-bagi pada adik. So berapa baki yang dia akan bagi pada adik? So how we can solve the problem? So we have to minus 4,600 with 3,800, then minus 760, then you will get the balance. That is what the Adi will get back. Okay, so we'll do it now. Okay, now look at here. This one Adi pays in cash. Remember the 4,600 he pays, and because he wants to buy the piano, which is 3,800 ringgit, and also the guitar 760 ringgit. So he pays this full cash. Now he wants his balance. So how to count his balance? We have to minus this with this and this. Okay, we'll do it together. RM 4,600 minus RM 3,800. So now I'm doing the first method. We solve one by one. So don't forget the minus. 0, 0, 0, 6 cannot. So we have to take from here. Give 1 here. So 16 minus 8 will become 8. So 3 minus 3 will become 0. So no need to add anything here. Don't forget your RM. 800, right? So we have to minus again. So RM 800 minus RM 760. 760, okay? So can we minus 0, 0? Then cannot minus, so we have to borrow from your friend. 7, give 1, it will become 10. 10 minus 6 will become 40. And 7 minus 7, 0. So the answer is 40 ringgit. 40 ringgit is his balance. Look at here. So once we minus everything, the balance will be, Adi's balance is RM 40 ringgit. Okay, sama? Okay, so we are done with the second B. Now we will move on to the next page, which is page 5. Okay, page 5. the second example, RM 296 45 cent minus 187 ringgit 60 cent. So you just have to minus. You know how to minus, right? I told you. So just minus, don't forget to add your RM in front. So minus. Then 3, calculate in Zaki's balance if he pays RM 700 for these two goods. Like, still remember we did that question just now. Adi, he gave this cash, and he buys the piano and the guitar, and how much balance he's having is exactly the same question. So he pays the 700 first for these two goods, for this one and this one. So he pays for this one, so how much balance he will get? So exactly how we did before, you will do it now. We will minus the RM 700, we minus RM 638 80 cent and minus 95 cent from it. See, they give you the example. 700 ringgit, you minus the 638 ringgit 80 cent, you minus, you will get the balance. So the balance you will minus again 95 cent and you will get the final balance. So this is what Zaki will get back. So Zaki's balance is RM 60 ringgit 25. So 60 ringgit 25 cent. Okay. So yeah, and this one is Mind Challenger. Fauzi buys 2 books. The blue book, we will just address it as blue book is cheaper than the red book. Fauzi uses 2 notes of equal value to pay the books. Find the price of the blue book and the value of each note. Okay? So this one, Fauzi, he buys 2 books, right? The blue book with the red book. The blue book, the red book, they've already given you the value, which is 7 ringgit. And they are saying the blue book is cheaper than the red book. Okay, that means the value must be below than RM 7 ringgit. But he uses 2 notes of equal values. Equal values maksudnya 2 notes of equal value maksudnya. I'll draw it here. 2 notes, right? Equal value maksudnya kalau dekat sini RM1, dekat sini pun RM1 juga. So equal value to buy these 2 books. Okay? So find the price of the blue book and the value of each note. So you have to try by yourself. If you get the answer, you can tell me in the Telegram personally. So this is the quiz for you. Okay? So this one we're done. Moving to the next page. Page 6. This one, they didn't give you the value in front. Minus 2,158 ringgit 90 cents equals to RM 437 ringgit 60 cents. Okay, they didn't give you the value, they want you to count the value. So what you have to do, in order to get the answer in front, you have to plus. So you will plus this number with this number, you will get the answer here. See, RM 2,158 90 cents, 437 ringgit 60 cents, plus you will get the answer, which is 2,596 ringgit 50 cents. So this is the answer. Okay, you can do it. And this one no need to do yet, jangan buat lagi. So we have already covered for subtraction with the addition for money. Okay, I hope you understand. It's exactly the same. You'll do the same way. Exactly the same way of the calculation for subtraction and addition. Just that you have to add RM in front. Okay, semua sama macam kita pernah buat operasi tambah tolak. Just kamu kena add RM dekat depan. Okay, so I hope you understand. So once now we are done with the textbook, I want you to take out your activity book. This one, the same activity book. So please take it out. We are going to do the exercise in that book. Okay. let's meet again in that same video. Okay, so now we are done discussing the examples in the textbook, which is addition and subtraction of money. So now I want you to take out, I bet you already take out the activity book. So activity book, page 77 first. So addition of money. So what we have to do, easy, just add everything and you will find the answer. You just have to add, just add. Tambah saja, tak payah tulis apa-apa. So 7, this one 9, 5, 2, dekat depan, jangan lupa untuk tambah RM. So you have to do, solve this. Activity 1 at A, B, C, D, E, F. Do all this. And once you are done with this, move to number 2, solve this. So RM, 411 ringgit plus 7,632 ringgit. You have to plus this both. Why they give you the box? They want you to do the calculation here. Calculation macam ni. Okay? Macam ni, buat calculation dekat sini and you'll find the answer. The answer you'll write back here. Faham? So, do question number 2, A, B, and move to page 78. So page 78, it's a bit interesting. Page 78, calculate the price to be paid. Okay, calculate the price to be paid. What they mean by that, just tambah semua, tambah. Do here, do the calculation like this, tambah. So berapa yang kamu kena bayar untuk 2 item, untuk 3 item. So how much you have to pay. So how to know that? You have to count. 239 ringgit, 104 ringgit, you plus everything, you'll find the answer. So that is how you know how much total amount to be paid. So count this right here. Do the calculation here. For if you have 3 items, then you have to do for 3 items. If 2 items, you have to do it for 2 items. So it's very easy. Okay, so do it. Page 78. Page 77, 78, and now moving to the page 79, which is subtraction of money. Yani tolak. So just tolak 0, 0, 2, 2. RM, don't forget to add RM. So this is the answer. So do activity 1, 1, A, B, C, D, E. Do everything, all this. Then number 2, solve this and match. So you have to solve and you have to find which abacus is the best, the correct answer. Then you have to match it to the correct abacus. Okay, now look at here. So what you have to do, find the answer, you'll write the balance, right? So the balance you'll write back here, then you will minus and you'll find another new balance. And this one, they didn't give you. So how you'll solve it? Look up here. Kita dah bagi. So, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I know the question will come up. Okay? So, look up here. E. Sama. Okay? Fill in the blanks and do the question. So, page 79. And this one. Page 80. So, calculate the balance of the money. So, tadi tu, here, they want you to calculate the price to be paid. But this one can't calculate the balance of money. They've already given you the total money and you have to buy this item. Then how many balance you will get? How much balance? So, you have to minus this with this one. Minus this with this one. Minus this. So, as I told you, you can use the first method or you can use your second method. So it depends on which one you're comfortable with. Okay? So that's it. And yang ni tak payah lagi. Okay, don't do it yet. I want you to do 4 pages today, which is starting from page 77, 78, 79 and 80. Okay? I've already explained to you in this video. So you can start to do it. Okay? That's all guys. So next week we are having holiday. So I won't be posting anything next week. So after that, we will meet again in another new subtopic. Okay, have fun, stay safe, and happy holidays. Okay, I'm telling you in advance because Thursday we won't be having maths. So that's it. Bye. Thank you.